Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I'm here from a Walmart midweek haul for you guys. If you are new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay with the gray. In my last video, y'all, these gray hairs right here, I'm pretty good with laying them down, but because I worked out that day and I didn't plan on doing a video, they were just flailing away, and I was just like, the whole time I was recording, I could see it right there, just like, hi. It was like, hey subscribers, hi, right here. So your girl laid them down today. And so this is my midweek. Now I have a pretty easy midweek for Ibotta. I need 10 offers for $5. Super easy. Like literally you can buy like 2 items and knock it out, like the Dove and like the Beneful, and knock it out like that. But we're gonna do whatever. I'm gonna do whatever deals I think are pretty good. Because I'm gonna need it. I am starting off at like, I want to say 50 or 60, 50 I want to say. So we're almost at the halfway point, you guys. So in the comments, how are you guys doing with the larger bonus? Mine's just called Make It Pour. And of course I'm using the Rockstar because you guys are awesome. Y'all have been using the heck out of my link, and so I have like a gazillion redemptions left. I think I got like 107 or something like that left, which is crazy. I'm trying to save some for when I go back to see David when he graduates. I cannot believe that David has graduated from high school. So I'm gonna go back to Pittsburgh for that. And so I said I would save some of the redemptions for him and then just do as many as I can when I go visit him. And so I'm super excited about that. I cannot believe he is going to graduate. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. So crazy. We're just going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. So if you haven't had a chance to hit that subscribe button and you are just perusing through, definitely subscribe. Don't forget to like either, y'all. Show your girl some love, because I feel like these videos don't be getting the likes. They don't be getting the likes. Y'all gotta let YouTube know your girl's important. And if you watching and you here with me, y'all here with me every single week, every single video, y'all here, you should be liking. And if you don't like it, then guess what? You probably shouldn't be here. But anyway, listen, we're gonna head to Walmart, see what kind of deals we can grab. If you want to see what you grab, you know what to do. Keep on watching. So first things first. So just let me know. If y'all tired of seeing this Rockstar, let me know. Because I'm not tired of it. Y'all know it's gonna go the whole entire year, right? Till like December 30th. And so it's on the Rockstar, same deal, different day. It's priced at $1.88. If you haven't had a chance to do this deal yet, you're going to grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $3.76, getting back 5 through aisles. Now, with this promotion, you don't have to do the gas thing. I know a lot of people are asking, I thought I got to buy gas. No, you don't have to do the gas thing. It's just buy 2, get back 5. It is a promotion that can be done every other week, as I said before. And again, it runs throughout the whole year. And so, yeah, it's going to make this a $1.24 moneymaker. Now, I did grab some of these at Target yesterday. They are $1.99, but there's a 20% Target circle. So you'll pay $1.59 and you'll get back the 5 there if you want to go there instead. It'll make it a $1.82 moneymaker. And then, of course, we're grabbing these at Dollar Tree as well for $1.25 each, paying $2.50, getting back 5. We'll make that a $2.50 moneymaker. So there's definitely options as far as where you can get them from. Now, I did check Food for Less, which is a Kroger affiliate, yesterday to see how much they were. Since last week, they were 4 for $5. But now this week, they are buy 2, get back. No, they're buy 2, get 1 free. And they're $2.69, so gonna cost a little bit more there. I don't want to pay for these, you know, especially since I'm not really gonna drink. I'm just gonna donate them all. I've been drinking some of them, but for the most part, we're donating them. And so, yeah. I'm also grabbing the Best Meal again as well. This did pop up on Ibotta for a $2 offer. So I'm gonna grab 1, priced at $5.98, getting back what, $2 on Ibotta. And 3 on Swagbucks. It'll make this 98 cents, which is definitely not bad. Now, if you haven't did it on ShopMe or Alexa, that's an option as well. So yeah, here is another deal that's really easy to do. It does have a limit of 5, and they're pretty inexpensive. I've been grabbing them, donating them to the animal shelter in my city, so it's definitely a good item to donate that they're always going to need, right?
These are on rollback for 106. You're gonna grab one of them. You get back 50 cents on Ibotta. There's also 100 kicks on Shopkick, which is 40 cents. And then I have a brand clip survey for 45 cents, which is gonna bring this down to being a 29-cent moneymaker. Now I'm gonna grab 5 of them, do 2 brand clip surveys, which will bring these down to only 31 cents each. All right, so this next deal I'm gonna grab, I was gonna grab it yesterday, but the offer wasn't on Swagbucks, but this morning it popped back up. It's on the Clorox Sentiva. I was hoping to find the toilet bowl cleaners because those are a lot cheaper, but it doesn't seem like they have them in my area. So I'm gonna grab the wipes up here. They have some that are priced at $4.94. So you want to grab 2 of them. The total is going to come to $9.88. You'll get back 5 on Swagbucks. It's also My Points, Tada, and Inbox as well, making them only $2.44 each. And the limit on this is 2, so you can do it 2 times per receipt, or grab 4 of them and get back 10, which is what I'm probably going to go ahead and do. And so yeah, it's not the greatest of deals, but with the moneymaker from the Rockstar, it'll definitely help lower this. All right, so I went ahead and did the Dove hand soap deal again. These are priced at $4.97. I used the rest of my dollar IPs that I got from my IP Fairy. It scans perfectly fine. You'll pay $3.97. Get back 3 on Ibotta, 50 cents on Fetch Reward. It'll make it 47 cents each. And I went ahead and maxed it out and grabbed 5. All right, so this next deal here is on the Caress. It's on the 4-pack bars. They are priced at $5.17. For this, you want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $10.34, getting back $1.50 for each on Ibotta, $3 on ShopMium, and 510 points on My Points, which is $3.20, making them only 57 cents per pack. Okay, so I had to do this deal again. It's on the Dove deodorant. These are priced at $3.98. I've been using the dollar printable I got from our IP Fairy. It's been scanning for me perfectly fine. You'll pay $2.98 out of pocket, and the kicks for this, it did go down to 700 kicks, which is $2.80. It makes this only 18 cents, which is not bad. Now again, I did this deal yesterday. It did not reset for me again today, and so this deal might be dead. But your girl, I did pretty good on this. I don't know how many I got. I'll pop up how many I actually got. Let me see, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think I probably got like 12 or 13 of them, which is definitely not a bad deal. So, this little old lady came wheeling down the aisle, and it heard this noise. And she said, "There's a crack in the road." I said, "Well, just don't fall in." She started laughing. She said, "I won't." I said, "Because if you do, we might not be able to get you out." And she just started laughing. But listen, I'm also going to be grabbing this deal too on the Dove Even Tone. It's priced at $6.73. Actually, wait a minute, it's on rollback. Give me one second. You want to grab 2 of them at $6.73 on rollback. Your total is going to come to $13.46, getting back 3 for each on Ibotta. There's also 4 for 2 on ShopMium and 4 for 2 on Swagbucks, making them both a 54-cent moneymaker. Now, I know that this is also on Shopkick, but it's for these. Now, in the past, I've always put a ticket in. I've always gotten it, so I may just try my luck. But if not, it's still a 54-cent moneymaker, which is definitely not bad. So my store finally restocked on the Pantene Miracle Moisture Boost. They're over there. See them? There they are. Price at $2.97. So you're gonna grab one of these. They're working for the $2 offer on Ibotta. It's a limit of 3. There's a bonus too, but I can't seem to pull it up. So it makes it 97 cents. I'm gonna just go ahead and just grab them because I could use the help. And even if I don't think I can use the help right now, I'm gonna wish I had that help later at the end of the month when I'm almost close to hitting my bonus and I don't. And so, yeah, just thought I'd share. All right, and this deal I mentioned yesterday, Saving with Save, Savannah. One of you guys told me her name is Savannah. On Instagram, shared this deal. And so it's on the Colgate Cavity Protection for Kids. It's on the 2.7 ounce. It's priced at $128. It is G wording on Shopkick for the 550 kick offer, which is $220. So you want to grab 1, get back to 20, will make it a 92-cent moneymaker, limit of 4. So you can grab 4 on 1 receipt. Someone did mention in the comments that it was dead. I'm going to try it out and see if it still works. And I'll let you guys know. If not, we'll just return it with the rest of the stuff because we still got to bring back. So next up is a deal on the Sensodyne Pronamel Repair. It's the last one. So the universe, it was like, we got you, Shay. We got you, boo. We got you. is on the I already said that, never mind. It's priced at $6.98. So I'm gonna grab one, getting back $3 on Ibotta, and then 850 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.40. It'll bring this down to only 58 cents. Okay, really quick. A Colgate offer for $2 popped up on Ibotta this morning, and it is working on the Max Fresh right here, which is $3.12. I'll make that $1.12. I'm gonna hold off on that. I'm hoping that we'll get an offer on Shopmium or Alexa to make it a better deal than $1.12. All right, guys. So this last deal that we're gonna do is gonna be on the Colgate Kids toothbrushes on the power ones. They're priced at $5.23. I'm gonna grab one, getting back to one Ibotta. There's also 550 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.20. It'll bring this down to only $1.03, which I think is an awesome price. I'm gonna grab Josiah the Minecraft one. He's gonna absolutely love it. I mean, what kid doesn't like Minecraft or Roblox? And so other than that, if you got to the last deal, I appreciate you. I want to see an emoji with smiling teeth. Smiling teeth. All right, if you got to the very last deal, I appreciate you again, and I will see you guys at home for the final breakdown.
All right, guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. So this worked out pretty good. I ended up doing that I was trying to say Colgate and COVID at the same time. Oh my gosh, I did the Colgate twice. I have a customer that I have to go meet. Bless you, Bug. That I have to meet in like an hour and a half. So I'll probably do the Colgate again. But that deal is still working. I put a post up on my community tab because someone, bless you, Bug, because someone said it wasn't working anymore. And I was like, okay, I'll try it, you know. And it's still working. It's still a go. And so if I can do that again today, when I leave out again, I will. And then I'll probably do it again tomorrow because it's like $1 moneymaker for each one. Like, why wouldn't I do it again and again and again and again and again? The other thing I didn't mention in the video was the stir. I went ahead and grabbed that when I was at Target getting the Rockstar. It's supposed to be a freebie, but it's not. It's $4.49, and you're gonna get back $3.49 on Ibotta, so it's $1. Now there is an aisles offer. It's buy one get one free. But I believe it's only at Walmart, and my Walmart doesn't carry this. So if you have the aisles offer, maybe I'll remember to link it, then it's definitely a better deal at Walmart. Yesterday for the Rockstar, I did it 6 times at Target, 5 times at Walmart, and twice at Dollar Tree. Obviously, if you do it at Dollar Tree, it's a bigger moneymaker because it's a $2.50 moneymaker. But the way Dollar Tree's receipts be, y'all, I be constantly have to resubmit the rebate over and over for Rockstar. And I think one of our receipts didn't even have a Dollar Tree header on it, so I had to overlap it with another receipt. I've had to write in the date. And so, yeah. But really quick with Rockstar, it's a limit of 1 every other week until December 30th. All right. When you submit the receipt for Rockstar, for starters, I'll have a link for you in the description. Click the link. It'll text you, and then you text a picture of your receipt to that number. All right. It'll either go to your Venmo or your PayPal. I believe it automatically goes to your Venmo unless you specify your PayPal email address. When you submit the receipt, you should get a response. Okay. If you don't get nothing, resubmit the receipt until you get some type of response, whether it be, we'll get back to you in 24 hours, woohoo, here's your money, or I'm trying to think what else you'll get, or you'll get nothing. So if you don't get nothing, just keep submitting it. That's what I do. I'm not gonna just let it just be in the metaverse and whatever. So keep trying to submit the receipt until you get a response. Because one of you guys said it took like 2 or 3 weeks. It shouldn't take that long. It's literally 24 hours. Less than that sometimes. So I just wanted to clarify that. I think that's basically it. I did have brand club surveys for this, $3.75 in brand club surveys. I'm pretty sure I already popped them up where I needed to. So everything you see here retails $170 and 35 cents. I had $5 in coupons. I was on the Dove. So $165 and 35 cents out of pocket. We walk away with $65 from aisles, which I've gotten back some of the offers already. Ibotta was $57.99.
Shopkick is $26.52. Swagbucks is $17. Shop Mium is $7. Brand Club is $3.75. My Points is $3.20, and last but not least is Special Reward at $2.50. So you walk with a total of $182.96 back in rebates. It makes everything you see here free plus a $17.61 moneymaker. And then my tax was $14.76. So after tax, we almost make $3, which is still not necessarily bad. So I did try for the Dove on Shopkick. I didn't get it. But last time we did this deal with the even tone, I never got it. I always put a ticket in. I always got the point. So I probably will put a ticket in and see how that works out. But lately, to be honest, y'all, with Shopkick, I forget which representative always tells me no. But I don't want him. I want the one that's going to tell me yes. And so, yeah, I may put a ticket in for that because it's 700 kicks. So if it works out, it makes that an even bigger moneymaker. And so other than that, you guys, I'm super stoked about this haul. So excited about these Clorox wipes. Super stoked about the Caress bars. Always happy when I can get Dove. And of course, hello, all this freaking Rockstar. I'm trying to put together all of my Rockstar. I'm getting extra boxes from Walmart so I can drop it all off this weekend. Because I've only been drinking some of them, and that's just the sugar-free ones or whatever. But other than that, I'm gonna get rid of all of them because at this point, they're taking up space. Don't you guys? As of now, like they're under my table, taking up space, and so I have to get more boxes, and I'm gonna donate them this weekend to the shelter. And so other than that, you guys, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Josiah is upstairs. He's not feeling good. Of course, he's never too bad to play his game, right? Like he's upstairs. You can hear his game upstairs. And so his emoji is a guitar. So if you made it to the end, we appreciate you so much. Thank you guys so much. And I like to see some guitar emojis. You guys are so close to 30,000 subscribers. So if you're watching me and you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe because I am so close to 30,000. And if you think you're subscribed, double check and make sure you resubscribe. Yeah. Resubscribe. Other than that, thank you guys so much. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.